Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are a subscriber, then welcome back. If you are not, then definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button and also leave a like if you like this type of video, because I would love to know if you guys want to see more, because this is a little different than what I typically do. So I am actually opening some Mini Boo collectible hand painted blind boxes. So I found these in a little store called Pop Cult. They have a lot of things to do with different movies, anime, games. There's so much in there and it's really fun. They have a lot of blind boxes and these are just really fun to open to me. So just to give you an idea, they are little like figurines of the Beanie Boos, if you've ever seen those. So those are the ones that have big glittery eyes. I actually have a lot of those and I am a full-grown adult, but I love me some plushes, some stuffed animals. I don't know, it's an obsession and I can't stop. One day I will have to share with you guys my collection of Beanie Boos because it's ridiculous. But today let's open these up. I'm just gonna pick one. I got one of every color question mark. So blue, yellow, green, pink, orange, I think is the colors, yeah. So let's open them up and see what we get. These were only $3.99. They are taped really well. So I'm just gonna tear this open. And there's a little bag inside. This is the blue question mark box. And then let's pull out the little paper. So it's showing you everything that you can get. So there is a few there. You've got like an owl, monkey, giraffe. I think that's, oh, a leopard, a panda, a unicorn. And then on this side, there is a mystery chaser. Then you've got your cat, a different owl, your little seal. Ooh, I love Icy. Duke is a dog, and then Slush and a penguin. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 that you can get. And then there's a mystery one. So let's see what we get. I think I see some stripes. Okay, so this is a little kitty. Really cute pink glittery eyes. I love that they even put like the little tie tag on them. So this is Kiki. That's the little picture. And these are hand painted too. So a lot of care went into these. So let's sit her right here and we can see her. Now we're gonna do the orange little question mark box. I hope we get all different ones. These are so well taped up. We've got a pink little bag inside. Ah, I think we got Icy, yes! Oh, and he's velvety. He's got like a velvet texture to him. Oh my God, I don't know if you can see that, but he's so soft. Oh. So yeah, let me make sure. Yeah, his name is Icy and he's a seal, and oh my God, so cute. Let's lay him right here. Okay, so that's 2 of the 12. Can already tell my butt's probably gonna go back and get more. So let's do the yellow question mark. I got another pink package. Oh, it's another Icy, I can tell. A second Icy. If anybody is interested in having a giveaway with like fun stuff like this, or including it in my big makeup giveaway, because we definitely have a duplicate. You can tell because it's the only shape like that. Oh, I was hoping for no dupes. Hope this one's not a dupe. This is the pink question mark. Oh my God, we got another pink wrapper. It is another Icy. Oh my God. So we got 3 Icies. Oh no. Please don't be another one. So we got the green question mark. This is another one. We only have, and this is my last box. It's a green package. So I think the colors, okay, this is not one that I've gotten. So this is a green package. Oh, cute. Okay. So we got the little unicorn and her name is Fantasia. So there's that. Oh my God. So that's the 3 that we got. So we got Kiki, Icy, and Fantasia. So that's it for my mini Beanie Boo collectible blind boxes. Oh my god, that's a long one. That's it for my unboxing today. If you guys want to see more of these, let me know, because I am very, very tempted to go buy some more, because we've only gotten 3 of the 12 and really 3 of the 13 if you count the mystery one. And so yeah, we got 3 ices. So what do you guys think? I can do a giveaway if you guys are interested and give a couple people these. I don't know what to do. So that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.